The Formulate Essential Backlit Banner is a captivating and eye-catching display that combines aluminum tube frame with LED strip lights and a pillowcase printed fabric graphic. Grab the bottom section of the display to start. The main poles are joined with bungee cord. Connect them together with snap buttons to create the full-size poles. Once connected, attach the main poles vertically into the base by matching the numbers and use the snap buttons to lock into place. Now it's time to connect the top part of the frame. Use the extension tubes provided to add over an extra foot of vertical display space. Once attached, it's time to connect the wires. Attach the male and female light connection at the top of the frame and follow the cord all the way down the side of the display while utilizing the wire management system. Once you reach the bottom of the frame, once again connect the male and female light connectors. Then take the included power cord and connect it to the wiring at the base of the frame. You may need a ladder to pull the pillowcase graphic over the top of the display. Don't forget to use the hook and loop connection to keep everything in place. And there it is, the Formulate Essential Backlit Banner.